How to map an IP address to localhost? I want to map the IP address 192.168.1.222 to 127.0.0.1 so that if I use 192.168.1.222 in the web browser or ping command I get the response, and that from my 127.0.0.1. Is this possible via routing tables, or do I have to add some sort of virtual network adapter? I tried to deal with this problem on a Windows 7 machine and have no other options than a Windows XP maybe. I'm stuck right there.
You would have to assign the IP address 192.168.1.222 to one of your network interfaces. Merely altering the routing table will not have the desired result. Traffic would indeed arrive at the local host, but your computer will then conclude the message has not yet reached its destination. Lacking any further options of passing the message along, it will then be dropped. Assigning 192.168.1.222 to one of your physical interfaces would be the simplest solution, but if you do not have a spare interface and do not want your changes to affect the rest of the network, you can create another loopback interface, similar to the one at 127.0.0.1. The procedure has changed somewhat since Windows XP. Open the device manager via the control panel and in the action menu, click at Legacy Hardware. If this option is missing, the wizard can be started via the executable wiz.x. When asked, select hardware manually from a list rather than installing it automatically. In the following menus, select Network Adapter, Microsoft as manufacturer, and look for the Microsoft Loopback Adapter. If the device has been installed correctly, a new network adapter will have appeared in the device manager. Open the Network and Sharing Center via the control panel and click Change Adapter Settings in the left bar. The following window will appear, including our newly installed adapter. Open its properties. From the Networking tab, select the For item and click the Properties button. Enter the IP address you wish to assign to the loopback interface. Because it will be the only interface on its network, we enter 255.255.255.255 as the subnet mask. Voila!
Run under admin command prompt.
This should work in both Windows 7 and XP, from command window. If you want the new route to be persistent between reboots,
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.